So we were out again. Burch came, met me at Whole Foods, had some VIP parking, and now I have no clue where we're going besides downtown Annapolis. Just gonna wing it today and bring you guys along. I feel so much lower than you.
I was gonna say, it's crazy tiptoeing a bike. I can like legitimately see over top of cars when I'm riding.
That's wild. So I can literally just stay camouflaged behind Burch's bike. I promise I'm back there.
Shadow. Backing in with a 19-point turn. It's like that scene from Austin Powers where he's trying to turn around in a little. He has the Panigale, but it's like the $8.99. They don't give a fuck. They don't even have a license plate.
So Burch headed out. We hung out in downtown Annapolis for a few hours. He grabbed a bite to eat, but I'm gonna go take a couple pictures at different locations, do a Bay Ridge loop, and make my way back home because somehow it's already 5 o'clock. So let's jump on the bike. Thank you. This is one of those lovely rides that you never know where it's going to take you, but luckily it's one of my favorite neighborhoods in Annapolis. Can try to not get hit by this car. But the cool thing about being here is the Bay Bridges are right over there, so highly recommend coming down here, driving through here, riding through here if you're ever in the Annapolis area. This is Bay Ridge, but thank you guys for checking out this video. I'm going to make my way home now. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, of course, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time.